Alright guys, I got my youngest boy here. We got the transmission out and the rear main plate in. It's already installed. I got to put the flywheel on, but these are IC billet fittings. These are for the side of the transmission. That way we can run 6AN fittings for our transmission lines. So here's Parker. Want to say hi?
Hi.
What are we doing?
Transmission.
Transmission what?
Fluid lines.
Alright, well, grab your stuff. Let's rock and roll. Alright, I hope you guys can see what's going on. Here's the front transmission cooler line from the factory, and we got the rear one for the transmission cooler. It's on lefty loosey. Go ahead and rip them out of there. Lay the other ones down.
These?
No, right here. Cooler. Go ahead and zip them out. Alright, that's good. Take it out of the end, get the other one out. Make sure the socket's all the way on. Just lay them in the...
I can't get it out.
We don't be using them no more. Now go ahead and get that other one. Make sure the socket's all the way on before you don't get too far under there. Alright, take it out and throw it in the tray of the transmission jack. Alright, now take this shop towel, clean around right here where the O-rings go, just wipe it off real good. Alright, now on these fittings I put some thread tape on it. I know they're O-ring driven, but it's just to be safe. I don't want nothing leaking, so I put a little bit of thread tape on it. Okay, hand start all of them, both of them. No. Put this in the transmission first. Thread it in, then we'll tighten them down by hand. Wrong side, bub. Put the white tape in. There you go. The other side's the bevel side for the line. Okay, now start your other one. Same way.
Did I tighten them by hand?
If you can thread them in all the way by hand, yeah. If not, that's what the ratchet's for. You don't want to tighten them too tight. Don't want to use a gun on aluminum. And then they're both aluminum, so you just want to get your ratchet and snug them down as tight as you can with the ratchet. Already got it on righty-tighty. Pull back towards the back. Now just ratchet. Now back again. Go as tight as you can, then I'll snug them. That way we know where they're there. Just don't knock the transmission off there. Strong boy. Alright, go to the other one. That's good. They got O-rings on them. Alright. Now, you want to show them what the other fittings are for?
What?
A little dirt.
Yeah.
You want to thread the other fittings on there so they can see what they're for? How they work? Now, the braided line goes in the end of those. Just thread them on a couple threads. Alright, now do the other one. Don't tighten them, because we have to take them off to make the line. We're going to show them what they're going to be for. And alright, now these right here are for what?
Fluid lines.
Transmission lines?
Yes.
So we'll be running these where? What's that called up there for the wind and stuff to blow through it? Cooler?
Yeah.
Now, see how them are bent the same way?
Yeah.
Now both our lines will go here, here, and straight up to the front to the transmission. Or to the transmission cooler. Up by the radiator. So when the wind blows through it, it keeps the transmission fluid cool so we're not burning up the transmission. So, what do you think of that? You ready to put it all back together for me?
Mhm.
Everything? I'm going to put the flywheel in and transmission so I don't have to do it. Why ain't you saying anything? You camera shy? Huh? Alright, that's all I needed for now. See you guys.